Mastering the art of lasagna baking.
Hello and welcome to our cooking tips segment. Today, we're focusing on a beloved Italian classic, lasagna. Specifically, we're going to answer a crucial question: how long should I bake my lasagna and at what temperature?
What is the ideal temperature for baking lasagna?
The first thing to consider when baking lasagna is the oven temperature. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. This temperature provides the perfect balance for cooking both the pasta and the filling, without drying it out or leaving it undercooked.
How long should I bake my lasagna?
The length of time you bake your lasagna depends on the specific recipe and the size of your dish. However, as a general rule of thumb, you should bake your lasagna for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. This allows all the layers to cook thoroughly and the flavors to meld together.
What if my lasagna is pre-cooked or frozen?
If your lasagna is pre-cooked or if you're heating a frozen lasagna, the cooking time and temperature may vary. For a pre-cooked lasagna, bake at the same temperature, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, but shorten the cooking time to about 25 minutes, just until it's heated through and the cheese is melted and bubbly. For a frozen lasagna, you should first cover it with foil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for around 1 hour and 30 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until it's brown and bubbly on top. And there you have it, the ideal baking time and temperature for a perfect lasagna. Remember, every oven is a little different, so it's always good to check your lasagna a few times during baking. We hope you find this video helpful and can't wait to see the delicious lasagnas you bake up. Happy cooking!